Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Nano Server. So, as you can see, I am currently on the official Microsoft site when you have the article with how to install Nano Server. This article is a little bit old because, as you can see, here we have the important information that this installation method is no longer supported. I will show you how it looked like before, and I will show you later of how can you basically get it now, because as you can see now you have to create a container-based operating system image, and we will check out also these changes to Nano Server. So I will start to read it. I will read this bracket, maybe this first paragraph. It is not really important because this is not really accurate, but we will see how it was before and how it is right now. So Windows Server 2016 offers a new installation option, Nano Server. Nano Server is remotely administrated server operating system optimized for private clouds or data center. It is similar to Windows Server in server core mode, but significantly smaller, but has no local logon or capability, and only supports 64-bit application. Tools and agents. It takes up far less disk space, set up significantly faster, and requires far fewer updates and restarts than a Windows Server. When it does restart, it restarts much faster. The Nano Server installation option is available for standard and data center edition of Windows Server 2016. And Nano Server is ideal for a number of scenarios. So this is I think also accurate because you can also use it, but in the other form, I would say. So it is ideal for a number of scenarios as a compute host for Hyper-V virtual machines, either in clusters or not, and as a storage host for a scale-out file server, and a DNS server, as a web server running internal information services, as a host for applications that are developed using cloud application pattern and run it in a container or virtual machine operating system. And now, as you can see, it is how it was before, but on 9th of October 2018, support for Nano Server installation option ended. Starting in Windows Server version 1.7.0, Nano Server is only available as a container-based operating system image, so I will go into it and check out changes to Nano Server to learn what it means. So first of all, we will check these changes to Nano Server. Second of all, we will see what is this container-based operating image. So now, changes to Nano Server in Windows Server semi-annual channel. We have this information again, and now, if you are already running Nano Server, the Windows Server semi-annual channel servicing model will be familiar since it was formerly serviced by the current branch of business, CBB model. Windows Server semi-annual channel is just a new name for the same model. In this model feature, update releases of Nano Server are expected to 3 times per year. However, starting with Nano Server version 1.8.03, Nano Server is available as a container-based operating system image. You must run it as a container in a container host, such as server core installation of a Windows Server. Running a container based of Nano Server in this release differs from the areas in this way. Nano Server has been optimized for .NET Core application. Nano Server is even smaller than Windows Server 2016 versions. PowerShell Core, .NET Core, and WMI are no longer included by default, but you can include PowerShell Core and .NET Core container packages when building your container. There is no longer a servicing stack included in Nano Server. Microsoft publishes an updated Nano container to a Docker cap that you redeploy, and now you troubleshoot the new Nano container by using Docker, and you can now run Nano container on lot core. So this is what it means that it changed to Nano Server in Windows Server semi-annual channel. And now, how to use containers with Windows Insider program. So you have to actually use it right now in order to use Nano Server. So use containers with the Windows Insider program. This topic walks you through the deployment and use of the Windows containers features on the latest Insider build of Windows Server from the Windows Insider preview program. During this exercise, you will install the container role and redeploy a preview edition of the base operating system images. If you need to familiarize yourself with containers, you can find this information about the containers. And first of all, join Windows Insider program. What does it mean? To run the Insider version of Windows containers, you must have a host running latest build of Windows Server from the Windows Server Insider program, and or the latest build of Windows 10 from the Windows Insider program. Join the Windows Insider program and review the terms of use. You can do it by pressing on this text, on this light blue text. Important note in the rectangle: you must use a build of Windows Server from the Windows Server Insider preview program, or a build of Windows 10 from a Windows 10 Insider preview program to use the base image described below. If you are using one of these builds, using these base images will fail to start a container. And now install Docker. If you don't have Docker already installed, follow Get Started guide to install Docker. So if you want to install Docker, you can follow this guide from there. And now pull an Insider container image. By being part of Windows Insider program, you can use our latest build for the base images. You specify the Insider build image you want to use in the Docker pull command. For example, you have this MCR Microsoft.com Windows Server Insider and the version. To pull Windows Server Insider base image, run the following command. So you have to use Docker pull and now this path. To pull Nano Server inside base image, so this is what is interesting for us, run the following. So you have to do docker pull mcr.microsoft.com/windows/nano server and /insider 10.0.20348.1. To pull the Windows Server Core Insider base image, run the following. You have this command from there. And to see all available Insider base images, see base images for Windows Insider. So this is how you can check it. And you have important information that we recommend that you read the Windows Containers Operating System EULA and the Windows Insider Program terms of use. So this is the EULA right here that you can read it. The most important part of this is this Nano Server, how to deploy it. Here we have the command and you can do it with Docker. If you don't know how to install Docker, here you have the, not here, but we have it above, install Docker, get started with Docker, and this is here. So this is how you can now install Nano Server and how it was before. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.